These ones here, they actually make tools for these. Like as I said, like you know, fucking bush cutters.
Yeah.
Well, there's a set of these, like it'll grab them so you can squeeze them and fucking set them. Well, I set them in the middle, right up across. Set that like this. Now you can set them in different settings. Actually, more in the middle, my bad. This is not right. Just like that. These ones are touchy.
Okay. How does it get fired then?
So now these hooks are off. So this is in the water.
Yeah.
Set up on a pole or whatever.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you set these on a poplar. So poplar is the favorite thing for a fucking beaver. And once it hits this middle trigger.
Whoa. That looked pretty substantial.
Yeah, you don't want to put your hand in this one. These ones fucking hurt.